Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at TechTrader.com. It's Monday, the 8th of April. These are the charts of the day. We had a lot of stocks moving well today. The market closed narrowly mixed ahead of all that economic news coming out in the next couple of days. So let's see what happens individually. Of course, stocks are always moving. ALPN, nice pop today. It hasn't broken out yet, but you can see the consolidation of the last 6 weeks. Today's pop of 348, 10%. On nearly 3 million shares, 2.6 million, the biggest in 3 weeks, indicates it may try to pop, retest the 42.85 area, then run into the $50 area. That's my target. APP swing trades working great. It popped out, it pulled back. We had a swing on it. It's gone from the mid 50s to almost 80. Today's high, 78.49. My target was in this area, and the next intermediate target is 120. ARQT broke out of a flag a couple days ago, and now it's continuing to run. And it's tested the high for the year at 12.35, reaching a new high at 12.62 today, finishing 12.54. And now that was up $1.20 or 10.5%. 5 million traded, good volume for that stock. I believe it's headed to 16 and 18. AUUD with an exceptional explosive day today, about 134 to 570. Back all the way back to 358 on profit taking, still up 215 or 148%. 161 million shares traded. This could be a follow-through day. Keep an eye on it. Oil. I really believe this is about the bottom, and I may be wrong, and I want to anticipate, so I'm going to ask everybody to be patient and let it get to 15.15, 15.20 with volume first. Maybe even take out the declining trend line of moving averages above 16.5 before we get too excited. If that does occur, my targets are 20 and 27. CXAI popped out of a wedge that we showed you over the weekend, jumped from 490 to 658, finished 558 up 63 cents or about 13% on 24.7 million. OBV is rising. I think the stock makes it to 7.5 3/4. Finger has been strong of late. You can see the move on it in the last week and a half. It's gone from about 210 to about 322. There's resistance right there. The next target, 4.5. I think we break out and run there. Fsly popped out today, broke out of a coil, and jumped $1 or 8%. It was a day trade. I think it's going to extend to 14 and maybe 17. Geo, a long-standing swing of ours from back here in October, continues to trend, and after breaking out of a flag on Friday, it followed through nicely today and added 77 cents or about 5%. This looks good. I would look for 18. JANX, something I'm watching closely. I believe this entire coil pattern, which held a gap for 7 weeks and snapped back today at 425 or 12%, is about to emerge. And if it does, watch for a move to 41 3/4, and that'll run you into the low 50s. MESO also popped the coil today, but backed off. It went from 580 to 686, finished 632, up 52 cents or 9%. I believe it's going to test and take out 735 and head to 9.5. MINM popped out of a falling. There you go. There's your falling wedge. Any move here that's going to follow through might get you to $8 or better. ML, one of our swings, had a wonderful day, going from 75.5 to 88, and trading 87 after hours, up 10.37. That's a breakout, folks. I believe the stock's headed for 120 to 160. MP maybe came out of a little V bottom and right-handed extension, went through the 40-day moving average, closed for the first time in 3 months above that, but not quite above the declining topsline, which we'll be watching tomorrow. The additional upside might see the stock make a run at 17.5, then 19. Silver and gold moving. The Pan American Silver, one of the largest ones and a big major purveyor of silver, 12.19 to 18.28, and 50% move in the last month, and trending, breaking out above quadruple tops. Now I'm looking for moving to that 19.20 zone. And Sava broke a declining top line and 50-period moving average and closed above it. With 1.3 million traded, it was up 10%. Additional upside target now I'm looking for top of make 27 to 31. Your next targets. SMTC broke out a few days ago, and we highlighted it over the weekend, but today it popped another $1.46 or 5% roughly. But it looks like it goes through here. Looking at high 30s, maybe 40. STI broke out of a flag today, popped on 2 million shares, a lot for this stock. It appears to me that we're headed to 4.5, 3/4, and 6. Talk, one of our tech trader swings at a personal position of mine. Really like the way this looks. I think you're going to be 4.5 and 5 3/4, 6. VERI, very strong Momo since it broke out with volume. It's been trending. It was up another 6.5% today, and now looking for on it the 9.5 and 11 ranges. And that's it for the TechTrader.com charts of the day video. Good night, everybody.